Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. Mark Cook's joining me again, and today we're going to discuss why my chimney is leaning. It comes up a lot in our discussions, and we see it a lot out in the field. Mark, can you describe a little bit more what you see and then how we go about fixing it?
Yeah, recently, Brian, I was just on this lead in Riverside, California, and this chimney was probably leaning over 2 inches.
Shoot.
So, what happens is they're such heavy structures and they're normally put on their own foundations.
Mm-hmm.
So, what they'll do is they'll start to drop down and start to lean out, and you'll notice the flash, they're start to separate from the flashing and the existing house.
Gotcha. So the chimney gets top heavy and starts rotating out. Once
Yeah.
it start rotating out a certain degree, gravity kicks in, just keeps on pulling it down.
Yeah.
Many times you'll be able to see this by just visually looking at your chimney from the side, or if you look at it straight on, you'll notice that a lot of the times, if it has been leaning, people fill it in with caulking, foam, anything just to fill in that void to stop any air or animals or insects or anything coming in. So something to think about. And if you have a leaning or chimney, it could be a result of some settlement in that area, but give us a call and we can definitely take care of that for you. So stay tuned and we will see you soon on the next tip of the day.